lead machine. So first part we have cleared with the value bomb that we have delivered to the people. Now we will see what are the types of funnels that we can create. Okay, these funnels have different stages, and for that you need what? You need to do this exercises: mission, vision, magnetic messaging part 1, magnetic messaging part 2, ethical manipulation, perfect pitch 1, 2, 3, 4, conversion content. So all these things will be used inside your funnel. So we will see the layers of funnel, what are the things. So when you confuse people, you lose, and people don't buy your product and services. This is given by Donald Miller. So confused people never buy. We have seen that yesterday also, that confused people never ever buy. It does not take much to confuse these people. If you don't have people buying from you, it's because they are confused. Okay. So what are the things they are confused? Who you are, what you do, why they should care, what's in it for them, what's action to take, how to engage with you, whether you are legit or not, whether they should trust you or not. So have you ever gone to the message and click someone's profile and social media and immediately have no idea what you are looking at? So whenever you create any kind of post, any kind of value content, so what is going to happen is they are going to visit your profile. So if your profile is type of messy, that you are doing a business of sales and automation, and you are posting posts of related to your clothes and dairy products like this, you are doing this kind of posts, so they will be confused what you do. So it has to be synchronized everywhere inside your YouTube channel. So what are the digital assets we need to have? So we are doing a digital marketing business. So without marketing, you people will not find you. So that's why we need to have digital presence, and there are many digital assets. I will show what are the digital assets later. And you have to have a synchronize everywhere. Your Facebook profile should say same thing. Your Instagram profile should say same thing. Everywhere, whenever they go to your website, it should say same thing, same offer. It should be synchronized everywhere. Your brand color should be same. All these things has to be same. This is followed by big brands. So that is the thing that you need to do. In order to get leads coming to you on autopilot, you need to set your web presence in a way that clearly communicates who you are and what you do and why they should care and what's in it for them and what action to take. So it has to be absolutely clear. So there are various things like profile photo, bio, landing pages, thank you pages, pre-call pages. So we will see step by step all these things. The problem is that the most people create their product and they try to sell the product around it. But the better way is to analyze your market and then create perfect solution for the biggest problem. The process is find what problem your target market has. So can you identify certain issues by listing out their aspects in the market? Okay, so you have to make list that first. Okay, this is called reverse engineering. You know the problem and you are reverse engineering the solution. When I started, I have started in this way only. What are the problem that this coaches is having? So I have reverse engineered the things and I have created solutions around that everything. Okay, so you have to do that thing also. Why didn't it work? How did they feel about it? What are the most common objections they are going to have? So what is the perfect solution for this problem you do? If they fix this problem, what is the outcome? What is their life look like? We have covered all these things in previous workbook. When you create content, comment on the post, engage in communities online, people are going to check you out. So that's why it's very important to have your digital presence. Okay, and it should be all synchronized, all social media. When you check out your social media websites, clearly communicates who you are, what you do, what's in it for them, and these are the things, so they will have no confusion. So that's the thing that you need to do for your all the assets, your online presence foundation. So these are the links of everything that you have to go, so you can go through that. So these are the ways that people find you. Okay, so from Facebook, if you run ad groups, profile posts, comment threads, pages, stories, so you are doing long form, short form, long form text, short form videos. And all these things are what is it doing? It is making them to visit your social profile. It has a cover photo, it has a bio plus link. So inside bio link, you should keep your landing page. So landing page, it should not be means it can be your Facebook group also. So that's why the landing page, it should not be any kind of website. It can be website, it can be Facebook group, anything you want your group of, it can be your WhatsApp group also. So you can put any link where you want all your audience to be there. Okay, from Instagram, same thing, they can come here, from TikTok, from LinkedIn, from Reddit, from YouTube, from Discord, from Pinterest, Twitter. These are the online profile that you have to create. So there are different types of funnels. So for example, first type of funnel is lead magnet funnels. Second is webinar funnels. Third is survey funnels. Fourth is ladder funnel. This is our specialty. Okay. And there are many more types of funnel. Your profile is also funnel. Okay. So we will see quickly what are the pros and cons of every type of funnel. So what is the pros of lead magnet funnel? It is quick and easy to put together. So you only need any kind of leads, that I need ebook or I need any kind of PDF guide, and you just say people that download this, and you will get this kind of results. So this is the pro. You can directly integrate into Facebook ad also. Okay, you can integrate your and without needing any landing page. Okay, so your lead magnet funnels can be integrated directly. And what are the cons? That contacts can need a lot of nurturing and turn into paying customer. So lead magnet, once people have downloaded your lead magnet, so they may not convert at once. You need lots and lots of nurturing for them. So there are lots and lots of lead magnet funnels out there. So people are more guarded by handling your personal information. Then comes this webinar funnel. Here you can show your expertise. Here one-to-many selling happens. These are the pros. What are their cons? Can be a lot of work. Okay, to set up schedule. Okay, unless it is pre-recorded, so it may require lots of work, that you have to do posting, you have to set schedule everything, you have to do messaging, you have to make videos for engagement. All these things here, this takes time. Okay, you need to master this transition from training to becoming a solution. So you have to become a solution. You don't have to become a trainer. You have to give them people solution. Next is survey funnel. So we will see how you can create the survey funnels with the prompt. Okay, so it helps in segmenting the lead. So for example, there is a funnel in which you ask certain types of 5 to 6 questions related to the business needs. So from that survey, you have certain data that this is at beginner stage, this is at moderate stage, then this is at certain different kind of stage. For every stage, you have created different kind of messaging. So that way, the people who are at awareness stage will have different messaging, and they will convert and become to cold to warm, warm to close. Like that, this cycle will happen. Now in second stage, these are more aware kind. They are solution aware. Okay, and then once you create a content, they become your buyer. So for different kind of people, you can create a different kind of thing. With the help of survey funnel, you can segment your leads. So this is called segmentation. With the help of proper questions, you are segmenting this lead. This can give you much information about this prospect, and you can personalize the message follow-up conversation. So based on their results of their survey, you can customize the message. For example, if you are an astrologer, then what you can have certain kind of questions related to which you find this Rashi, you find the date of birth, and you created message related to that. So it becomes more effective. Previously, you do not know anything about the customer, so you are not able to do the kind of messaging part. So this is the thing. And ladder funnel is very simple funnel where you use along with your low ticket product and services, you are selling certain higher ticket. This is called ladder. So what are these things? Pros? Great to people to great to get people used to spending. Okay, we are not getting any free kind of leads. We are getting paid leads, so they are more interested in buying. Okay, so they are easy to upsell. They are the right type of audience. They have money. So if they can pay $7, they can pay $97 also. Like that, you can upsell anything. So since there's cost involved, people value more and than this lead magnet. So it is more valuable than certain kind of lead magnets. What are their cons? So this one is a lot of thoughts need to be put in this offering. Overall structure, nurturing process, all this thing requires a lots of effort, but it's worth it. Okay. So if once you have segmented the lead, you know your target audience, then it's then comes the call booking funnel, and there are countless other funnels also. So you have to, what is the KPIs, how you can track this funnel. So if your funnel is having videos, so you can track how many people are clicking this video. So you should be aiming at least 50, and how many people are tracking going to your opt-in page. So third KPI is the percentage of video watched. So those who have clicked, how many percentage you watched it, and how much percentage of video they are watching. So that way you can track everything and you can improve it. So this is very simple thing that people complicate it. So we have seen that landing page is nothing but it's a type of copy, and you have to create a very wonderful copy for achieving the results. Okay, wonderful copy. If your offer is great, automatically your funnel will be great. So you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to people who to create this kind of landing pages. You can create a better and better offer, and that can do the sales by itself. Okay. So these are the digital assets you can see here. These are the Facebook profile. You have to have a Facebook profile. You should have Facebook page, Instagram profile, LinkedIn profile, branded website, Google My Business, DBiz link, your YouTube channel link, your Linktree, your Calendly, Trustpilot, Twitter link, Medium, Quora, podcast, and you should have your MSME done. And if your GST is optional, you can create this. So this is required for business. So you have to create this thing. And if you are overwhelmed with things, you can start with Facebook only, and you can get an audience from Facebook. So it will be better that if you make all this thing. But if you don't have time, you can focus on one platform where you feel that your target audience is, and you can make that. And also you cannot, because you have limited time, you cannot focus on all this platform. You have to focus on one platform. And we have a software that leverages this power, that whatever the content you create for one platform, it will automatically get scheduled for all the platforms. So we are going to see that thing tomorrow. So how you can automate this content process, where you are creating only one single piece of content for one platform, and this piece of content is getting scheduled everywhere at your all the profiles. So we can do this. Okay, we can automate this process. So social profile is very important, because you are in social media, and we are doing social media marketing. We are getting people from social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So your Facebook profile, though, once they click on your Facebook profile, and if you are running ads also, for example, you are running ads and people clicks on your profile and see that you have no content related to anything, so they will think before buying. So that's the thing. You have to have a piece of content to be created, and it should be value content to be created at your profile, so people see your content and they see you as authority, and that's very important. So it is very simple format. Okay, cover photo. You are putting your lead magnet. So you are putting any kind of free training or PDF guide for your ideal audience, and you have put this headline. So get what is the big result that you can help them to achieve in next time period without any negative kind of old methods. So then what you need to have button. So here you should have button. Yes, I want this big goal. So this is the format of your profile. It should be that profile. Okay. So bio plus headline, like example, free video training for ideal audience reveals this. Hi, your landing page.com. Okay. You can make your landing page here. So you can see the example, free course to grow your online business at this.com. Okay. So here you see this authority profile photo, and this is same for everywhere. So this you can see here, it's synchronized everywhere. Grow online business profile. For this is the Instagram, this is Facebook, and this is other platforms. You can see here, all these platforms have same thing. So I have discovered this, that they are using similar kind of things everywhere. And these are the lead magnets that you can use. Okay. So this is the lead magnet for your book. Okay. So if you want this book, you can click here for this free book. So you can create this kind of profile also. So you can see here how should it look like. It should look very professional. Okay, you can start with main platform you are most actively on and keep it simple. It must be clear what you do and less words, the better. Look professional. And would you do business with you? Okay, you should ask first thing that would you do business with you? If not, then you have to change your thing. Okay, are you proud of it? Okay, these are the things that you can also use Fiverr, all this thing. So now coming to the landing pages format. So you can see here the format one. There are different formats of landing pages we will see. So this is the first format. This on the top you are written urgent video guide for ideal audience, and then how to get this big goal in next time period without negative old method. Then you are elaborating this. Are you ideal audience? You are problems leading to this complaints, more feeling unwanted feeling. You have tired with this old method, but you are still unwanted results. You are getting unwanted results. Then put details below. I will send video guide later, and yes, I want this big goal. Then format 2 is this. You are writing this type of thing that you can create multiple types of funnel. You can test it. So that's why that's the thing that you need to do. And which funnels work well, you have to do it more. So this is the formula. Whatever works more, you have to do it more, and whatever does not work, you have to do it less. So this applies for everything. Okay, for money, for any kind of work you do. Okay, now coming to this one. In this video guide, you will learn number one truth of getting phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 goal. Ultimately become aspiring identity. That difference between unwanted results, big goal. So you can write 3 points of different things. The real reason, the exact process. Okay, you can write this. You can see examples of this, all this here. These are examples of landing pages. So your landing pages has to be very crisp, short. So you can see here only this one single page and then done. Okay. Aim for at least 20% conversion rate for your lead magnet. Okay. This is the bare minimum. If it is not happening, then you have to redo something. If you are trying to aggressively get sales and collect phone numbers and outbound, then less words the better. Don't link anywhere, means don't let them to escape the funnel. So that's very important. So what happens is if people try to click cross the funnel, then what will happen? A pop-up will open. A pop-up will make them to write their name and email ID. Yeah, get this free training, get this. So that's where you can capture the lead. Okay. Now thank you page. What should be there in the thank you page? So if you want certain next type of action that you want, someone if books the appointment, then what you need to do? You want to so here you can see thank you page. Inside this thank you page, you will guide them to call format. So you take them inside your one-to-one call. So that is why call booking funnel is most important. You are booking call automation. So I want this call and I have no obligation to do this. So it's very simple. So these are the things you will learn during the call. So 3 things that you will learn. Then someone books the call, then there is a pre-call page where you say that you are booked, watch our this guide. Okay, before our call. Before that, if you want to send certain kind of instruction, you send that. Okay, get clear with the root cause of problem, give your framework page to this. So you can add additional things also. What happens after the call? Then you can have a certain kind of emails. So we will see all kind of automation. What happens after filling up the form? Or what kind of automations happen where these people get stuck into our pipeline. So we can automate everything. We can create different stages. We can segment those leads. We can create different kind of messaging. We can automate every process that we are doing by manual process. So that will save lots and lots of time. So here you can write your client's testimonial, client name 1. I have a specific problem leading to specific complaints which made me feel unwanted feeling. I tried old method, but it is not. So you are taking testimonial in this format. So I worked with your name and ultimately ended with big goal in the time period, and I did not even have negative old method either. So like that, you can have multiple testimonials. This, if you are a beginner, you can work with the people, and you can take because you are adding value to the people, and instead of value, if they are not converting, you can ask testimonial. If you like my videos, I need certain help from you, that you can give me testimonial for that. Okay, so in that way you can take this testimonials. So this is the lead machine. I will make you see any funnel layout that we have created yesterday, perfect offer. So from that we have created a funnel layout. Okay, so this is the case study, how to build a client acquisition powerhouse in next 30 days consistently, booking 30 qualified sales per month without spending fortune on paid ads or endless social media. Okay, so it is done for you. Client acquisition system. Yeah, here insert your VSL. How you can create VSL also, we will see that thing also. We build powerful client acquisition system for you. Implement this exact client acquisition system that has booked 15,000 sales for build specialty for your business, and your business needs robust system. You can trust consistently booked qualified sales call to your calendar week after week. So you can write your assets back with sales funnel. So in 30 days, your hyper focused, profitable outbound process. You should write Apple kinds of words. These are Apple words. They're juicy words, you can say. Scaling process with paid ads, your powerful follow-up process, you're automating your client system. So these are the benefits they will give. From your side, you write briefly about yourself. Then biggest problem your business owners suffer from this. So you are writing the pain point, and then you are saying that it's not your fault. Unless you have a rock, you have seen coaching programs after coaching program not showing you the system. So right, so never solve this. So you are writing in a beautiful format. So you can also give command to ChatGPT that give me in this format, so it will give in this format. So whatever format you want, you can give it, and you can write your all the data inside your ChatGPT, your mission, vision. So automatically this ChatGPT will give you a beautiful landing page, and you can customize it also, because ChatGPT is your assistant. You are not assistant of the ChatGPT. Okay, so this you can do from standard operating procedure. So we will take powerful clients from business. You don't have to figure out what works, what does not work. Client acquisition system is our expertise. So you are writing more and more proof and more things that they believe your system. You are shifting their beliefs. Everything you are doing to shift their beliefs so they buy it. Okay. We personally leverage this exact system. We build and deploy. So book qualified. Learn how to leverage this commission base. So gas on fire. When your outbound system is converting, then what we'll do is we will run paid ads. Okay, that will fuel up your business. Then defining your follow. So from the landing page itself, everything they are getting all the data. Then frequently ask questions also. Is this done for you service? Yes, we actually set up the client acquisition system for you. We have assets. Do we charge monthly fee? No, we have a one-time fee. At starting the paid ads, invest in paid ads. No, at starting we will do outbound messaging, and then we will if we will be able to convert $1 to $5 back, then we will run paid ads. Then these are the things that you have to do, and then copyright. Now you have to copy paste. If you are using any different funnel that we are using our automation system. Other than that, if you are using, you can copy paste this inside your funnel and you can make the funnel. But we have already built-in system for you. You just have to edit it. So all these things are copy pasted in the funnel. You have to edit it. Simple editing like you do in Google Doc, you have to do in website, and that's where your beautiful website is done within 1 minute. Okay, so that's the power. So another example, you can take example of different funnels which we have seen in Perfect Model Workbook. If you are doing this, you can see this type of funnels, what you are solving, different kind of day one implementing this. You have to see your competitors how they are doing, and you have to reverse engineer this. Okay, so that's it for today. So we have covered all this thing. Number day 6 we have done. our the value bomb method, where we have seen what is the value equation, how you can do less and create more utility type of content. You have to do it gradually. You to take constant feedback, and from your content, the people will come to your profile pictures. So you have to optimize all those kind of things. You have to build. You have to put wherever your social profile, there should be a landing pages. We have seen different types of landing pages, and how you can make this kind of landing pages, because landing page is nothing, it's just a copy. So people overcomplicate the thing. You have to do testing of the things. Means, is this offer working or not? Is this landing page is not working? So you can have 10 versions of landing pages. So version 1, version 2, version 3, you have to test everything organically, which landing page works well, which is most converting funnel. So once you have found this best converting funnel, then you can run this ads and you can scale your business. So it is gasoline on fire. Once you should put a fire first, then once your fire is done, then you have done it. So that's it for today. And tomorrow we will see automations, how we can do all this kind of automations inside our system.